What's up, guys? Hope y'all had a good day of trading. I most definitely did not have a good day of trading. I actually lost almost all of what I made yesterday. If y'all following me yesterday, y'all saw I made 2,700 bucks. Today, I think I lost about 2,300, so it's not very good. Did not trade well today. Cannot happen going forward. Will not happen going forward. Tomorrow, I will trade smarter. But sometimes for me, when I've had big days, and yesterday was kind of a big day for me, when I have big days like that, I get a little sloppy. You know what I'm saying? And I don't need to get like that, but I do sometimes. And yes, and today I definitely did. What's interesting is yesterday I made a video. If y'all watched that, you would have heard when I said that Tesla is dropping today. Just based off of what I was seeing from the technicals, it kind of was telling me that Tesla is getting ready to drop, and sure enough, it did. However, I played calls and don't understand why I did that. Why was I playing calls when I said yesterday that this thing was dropping? I should have been in puts all day, But anyway, hopefully I can learn from that and not make that mistake again. So with that being said, let's get into this Tesla chart and see what we are seeing. So guys, we started the day. Let me zoom in. And it's probably, let me show it. I'm on the 1 hour chart. Let me show it in 5 minutes. Let me zoom out some. So we started the day. We pretty much dropped. And can't say I was surprised. I said yesterday, I saw this happening. So, but we dropped into this zone, this 187, 188-ish zone. And then as you can see, we kind of would try to rally back into this 189, 190 area. I knew we would go and hit 190. I should have probably got out when we did, but I stayed just being hopeful maybe we would break through. And I should have sold here, but I didn't. I just held on pretty much the whole day. But anyway, we did go up to 190. We retested our 190 area, got rejected really good. I think we tried to get up close to 190 again here. Just too much selling pressure for the day. It was a lot of selling pressure. If you were trading, you could definitely feel the selling pressure, man. So it was a lot of selling pressure. We couldn't get up there the way we wanted to. So that's kind of what happened with that. Just was a choppy day all around. Something interesting happened at the end of the day, like the last hour of the day. We, as you can see, maybe I should get a tool going here. Right here, we dropped, pushed out of the zone. One would have thought that we might continue heading down. Then we bounce right back into the zone, and you see these wicks pushing us down. You would still think that we were headed down. Then we get this nice little green candle here pushing us back into the zone. Then we get a push above this level here that we were getting rejected from. And as you can see in the after hours, we are slowly trying to get back up. What I will say though, this isn't really doing a whole lot for me because based off of what I'm seeing, and I'll just go to the hour chart, back to the hour chart. Based off of what I'm seeing, guys, it seems to me that we are still heading down. And I hate to say that, like I said, I know a lot of people investing in Tesla. I'm actually a fan of Tesla. I want to see Tesla to the moon, just like everybody, I feel. But in this situation, this bear flag was pretty routine, and us coming out of it is also pretty routine. And when you're doing your analysis, you have to sometimes be able to look at it objectively, even though you may be biased toward a certain way or a certain direction. You just have to look and see what is it actually telling me. And guys, we have this bear flag. We broke out of this bear flag here. We're continuing down. It's possible we could get a push up tomorrow, and then I think we will ultimately reject at some point. If it's this 190 area, maybe we push up to this 192 area. But I think we do get a reject, and we see more downside. Hate to say that, but that's just what I'm seeing, guys. I'm seeing us going down. Now, there are some scenarios where we could be going down in the really short term, but maybe in like the midterm, we still are bullish and we still go up. There is a scenario for that I'm looking at right now. I'm gonna zoom out. Let me zoom out, and I'm gonna choose a different tool. I'm gonna choose the, where are you at? Path tool. Yeah. So this scenario here, guys, we could do something like this, like that, and then head, pretty much that direction. So we have a double bottom. We could do that. Also, we could have a situation where we have a trend line here, and if we can hold, man, I'm getting a little sloppy with the tools. If we can kind of hold this area in here, that would be considered like a higher low compared to what we have over here. So then we would have a trend. We could draw a trend line from here to, let's say, here, somewhere here. And then we see, get my path tool back. And then we can see something like this, bounce off the trend line, and then keep heading up, hit the 200 again, bounce off that, bounce off the trend line, and head up that way. That's a possible scenario too. But from what I'm seeing, guys, and I'll just go back to what I'm seeing here. I'm seeing this drop, and so hopefully, when we see this 175, we can bounce off of it and do a double bottom and head back up. But there is a chance that we will see lower. If we break through this 175, we'll definitely see like the 170 area. And then if we break through that, we'll probably see 160, which is just insane, y'all. But hopefully that doesn't happen. But from what I'm seeing, we drop. With that being said, y'all, thank y'all for watching the video. Hope y'all got something from it. And until the next one, peace.